Imagine a creature, no bigger than your thumbnail, lifting an object 50 times its weight. This might sound like a scene from a superhero movie, but it's a daily reality for one of nature's most fascinating insects. That's like you carrying a small car on your back. Just picture the sheer effort and determination it would take to accomplish such a feat. This is the reality for the extraordinary leafcutter ant, a tiny insect with Herculean strength. These ants are not just strong, they are incredibly efficient and resourceful. Across the tropical regions of Central and South America, these miniature marvels create highways through the undergrowth, their jaws carrying pieces of leaves many times their size. They work tirelessly day and night to gather the resources they need to sustain their colonies. It's a sight that inspires awe, a testament to the power of nature packed into such a small package. Watching them in action, one can't help but marvel at their dedication and teamwork. These ants are not simply strong for their size, they are champions of the insect world, putting our own human strength to shame. Their ability to lift and carry such heavy loads is a result of millions of years of evolution. Their secret lies not just in their muscles but also in their incredible teamwork and ingenious methods. Leafcutter ants operate with a level of coordination that rivals even the most sophisticated human engineering projects. They communicate through chemical signals, ensuring that every ant knows its role and performs it with precision. At the heart of their operation is the queen, who can live for over a decade and lay millions of eggs. The colony's success hinges on her ability to produce the next generation of workers, soldiers, and future queens. But the leafcutter ant's strength isn't just physical. They are also remarkable farmers. The leaves they collect are not for eating directly but for cultivating a special type of fungus, which serves as their primary food source. This symbiotic relationship between the ants and the fungus is a marvel of natural engineering. In addition to their farming prowess, leafcutter ants are fierce defenders of their colonies. They have specialized soldier ants with powerful jaws to fend off predators and protect their home. The story of the leafcutter ant is one of strength, cooperation, and ingenuity. These tiny creatures remind us that even the smallest beings can achieve extraordinary things through hard work and unity. So next time you see an ant carrying a leaf, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it represents. The secret to the leafcutter ant's remarkable strength lies in its unique physiology. These tiny creatures are marvels of nature, designed to perform feats of strength that seem impossible for their size. Their bodies are a testament to evolutionary perfection, allowing them to carry objects many times their own weight. Their bodies are built for heavy lifting. The exoskeleton of a leafcutter ant is incredibly strong and lightweight, providing the perfect balance of durability and flexibility. This exoskeleton acts like a natural suit of armor, protecting the ant while also giving it the strength to carry heavy loads. Powerful muscles in their jaws and necks provide the initial force needed to clamp onto and lift the leaf fragments. These muscles are highly specialized, allowing the ants to exert a tremendous amount of force relative to their size. The mandibles, or jaws, are not just for cutting leaves but also for gripping and holding onto them securely. But that's only part of the story. The coordination and teamwork among leafcutter ants are equally impressive. They work in unison, each ant playing a specific role in the transportation process. This collective effort ensures that the leaves are efficiently moved from one place to another. The real marvel is in their legs and feet. The legs of a leafcutter ant are incredibly strong and flexible, allowing them to navigate through the complex terrain of the forest floor. Each leg is equipped with tiny muscles that can adjust to the weight and balance of the load they are carrying. Their legs are structured like miniature cranes, distributing the weight evenly. This unique structure allows them to carry loads that are many times heavier than their own body weight without losing balance. The joints in their legs act like shock absorbers, reducing the strain on their bodies. Tiny claws on their feet grip the ground with surprising force, providing the stability needed to carry their leafy burdens. These claws are incredibly sharp and can dig into the ground, giving the ants a firm grip as they move. This combination of strength, stability, and grip allows them to navigate the forest floor with impressive balance and determination. Their ability to work together and their specialized physical adaptations make leafcutter ants one of the most fascinating creatures in the insect world. Leafcutter ants are highly social insects living in vast underground colonies that can house millions of individuals. These colonies are marvels of organization, with each ant playing a specific role in the survival of the group. The colony is divided into castes, each with distinct sizes and responsibilities. The queen, the largest ant, is responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the colony's growth. The soldiers, with their formidable mandibles, defend the colony from invaders. The smallest ants, the workers, are the ones we see tirelessly carrying leaves. This complex social structure, with its clear division of labor, is key to the leafcutter ant's success. Leafcutter ants are found throughout the tropical regions of Central and South America, thriving in a variety of habitats. From the humid Amazon rainforest to the drier scrublands, these adaptable insects have carved their niche. They prefer areas with ample vegetation, providing them with the raw materials for their unique farming practices. Their nests, often marked by mounds of discarded leaf fragments, can be found dotting the landscape. These mounds provide a glimpse into the bustling world that exists below the surface. Inside, a network of tunnels and chambers house the colony and its precious fungus gardens, the lifeblood of the leafcutter ant society. The leafcutter ants are not simply gathering leaves to eat directly. These industrious insects are engaging in a complex and fascinating form of agriculture that rivals human farming in its sophistication. Instead, they utilize them in a fascinating display of insect agriculture. The leaves are not consumed as food, but are used as a medium to cultivate a special type of fungus. This fungus is the primary food source for the colony, and its cultivation is a meticulous process. The leaves are brought back to the colony and meticulously chewed into a pulp. This process is essential as it breaks down the leaves into a form that can support the growth of the fungus. The ants work tirelessly, chewing and processing the leaves to create the perfect substrate. This pulp serves as the substrate for growing a specialized fungus, which forms the ant's primary food source. The fungus is carefully tended to by the ants, who ensure that it has the right conditions to thrive. This relationship between the ants and the fungus is a perfect example of mutualism in nature. These underground fungus gardens are carefully maintained by the ants. They are not just passive farmers, they actively manage their crops, ensuring that the fungus has everything it needs to grow. This includes regulating the environment and protecting the fungus from pests and diseases. They regulate the humidity and temperature, remove competing fungi, and even use their own waste as fertilizer. This level of care and attention to detail is remarkable, and shows just how sophisticated these tiny farmers are, and even fertilize their crops with their own waste. This recycling of nutrients ensures that the fungus has a constant supply of the materials it needs to grow. The ants' ability to manage their environment in this way is a testament to their adaptability and ingenuity. This symbiotic relationship between ant and fungus is a marvel of nature, showcasing the incredible complexity of these tiny ecosystems. The ants and the fungus depend on each other for survival, creating a balanced and efficient system that benefits both parties. A testament to the incredible adaptability and ingenuity of these tiny farmers. Their ability to cultivate and manage their own food source is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity and the intricate relationships that sustain life on our planet. Communication is key to the success of any ant colony, and leafcutter ants have developed a sophisticated system based on chemical signals called pheromones. These pheromones are secreted by glands on the ants' bodies and detected by their sensitive antennae. Different pheromones convey different messages. Foraging ants leave a trail of pheromones to guide their nestmates to a promising source of leaves. Alarm pheromones alert the colony to danger, summoning soldiers to defend the nest. The queen even releases pheromones that regulate the behavior and development of other ants in the colony. This intricate chemical language allows for remarkable coordination and efficiency within the colony. Though small in size, leafcutter ants play a significant role in their ecosystems. They are major herbivores, consuming more vegetation than any other animal in their environment, save for leaf-eating mammals. This constant pruning of vegetation influences plant diversity and nutrient cycling in the forest. Their underground activities also impact the soil, aerating it and contributing to decomposition. The fungus they cultivate, unable to survive without its ant farmers, plays a role in breaking down organic matter. This intricate web of interactions highlights the interconnectedness of life in these tropical ecosystems and the importance of even the smallest creatures. Life in the rainforest is fraught with danger, and leafcutter ant colonies are not immune to threats. Predators like anteaters and armadillos raid their nests, feasting on the abundant ants within. Parasitic flies pose another threat, laying eggs on the ants, which hatch into larvae that consume the ants from the inside out. Competition with other ant species for resources is also a constant challenge. However, the leafcutter ants, with their impressive strength, teamwork, and complex defenses, have managed to thrive for millions of years, proving to be resilient inhabitants of these vibrant ecosystems. The leafcutter ants, with their astonishing strength, intricate societies, and remarkable farming practices, offer a fascinating glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Their success lies not in individual prowess, but in the collective power of the colony. They demonstrate how even the smallest creatures working together towards a common goal can achieve extraordinary feats. Their story is a testament to the power of teamwork, cooperation, and the importance of understanding and appreciating the smallest, often overlooked members of our planet's biodiversity. For in the world of nature, even the tiniest creatures can have the greatest impact.